The IPCONFIG is one of the most important commands in Windows operating system. It can be used to extract many information of the device which is related to network administration or network configuration. In this video, we'll explore the IPCONFIG command and we'll see what are the different information that we can extract or we can reveal from the device using this command, that is IPCONFIG. To start with, let's use this command to display the IP address of the device. We'll write IPCONFIG/all and we wanted to see only the IP addresses. Find str/c: within quote IPv4. Press enter. It shows 3 addresses, but I am interested to see only the IP address belongs to the local area network or wired card. So I will write one more switch here like Ethernet, then press enter. It will show you the IP address of all Ethernet cards. This IP address this Ethernet adapter, this IPv4, this is the wired card, and the IP address for the card assigned is 172.21.17.213, and rest of the IPv4 addresses are assigned to virtual machine. We are not interested in this information right now. If I want to display the name of the device that I am working with, I can use this command IPCONFIG/all find str/c: within double quote host. Press enter. It will give you the name of the currently working device. To verify whether this name given here is correct or not, what I can do, I can go to the PC or my computer, go to properties, and if I see the computer name, it is Menelas D. That is exactly the name which is displayed here. If I want to see the physical address or the MAC address of the NIC in my system, then I can again make use of the same command IPCONFIG with some different switch or choice. In this time I write find str/c: then I will write physical address. Press enter and it will give lot of physical addresses. However, it is a bit difficult which one is the physical address of my wired Ethernet card or wireless Ethernet card. In order to see that, I will add one more switch here as description. So if I type enter, then I will see this is the Bluetooth device, this is the address of the Bluetooth device. Similarly, if I go here, then it is gigabit network, this is the wired network, and this is the address of the physical address of the wired network. Similarly, advanced N, this is wireless card, and this is the physical address of the wireless network card. So it becomes easier to find out the physical address of respective network device, and we can make use of the information somewhere else where it is necessary. We can find out the DNS server IP addresses using IPCONFIG command as IPCONFIG/all find str/c: double quotation DNS servers. Press enter. It will give you the DNS address. Default gateway can also be extracted using the same command, as if I write here default gateway. There are many entries, but I am interested to know the IP address that is connected to my Ethernet LAN card. So in that case, I will slightly modify this command. I will put here Ethernet. Then it will show you the list with the associated network card in the device. Like for example, this is Ethernet adapter, and the default gateway associated with this adapter is 192.168.16.3. Then go ahead. If I want to see the subnet mask, then I will write here the subnet. Press enter. Lot many subnets are given. Interested only in the Ethernet subnet or the subnet mask associated with the local area LAN connection, local area network connection, Ethernet. Press enter. I can see that is the subnet mask associated with this particular network card. One other method to find the information from the IPCONFIG/all command in a easier way is to redirect the output of this command into a file. For example, IPCONFIG/all and redirect the output into a file, say ipc.txt. Press enter. Then if I open this file, notepad ipc.txt, press enter, then we can see the output is now available in this file. All the information which are revealed by this command IPCONFIG is now stored in the file. Then within the file, we can search for any content. Like I wanted to find Control F, the host name. Press enter, host. This is the host name, and this is the name of the computer where I am working. Or if I want to see the IPv4 addresses, let us type IPv4 in Control F after Control F box. Find next. This is the IPv4 address, and this IPv4 address belongs to the Wi-Fi network card. Click in find next, then go once more. This is the VMware IPv4 address. If I keep on going, all the IPv4 addresses available for this computer or the device can be found out here. Close this file. If you want to save, you can save. Otherwise, I am not interested to save this file, so don't save. So we are back in the command prompt. IPCONFIG command can also be used to extract the IP address of any given URL. For example, if I write down the command like IPCONFIG/display DNS, then it will show you the IP addresses for different DNS or different URLs that we have browsed so far. And this information displayed is not very easy to read. That's why we can do another thing. Write down the display DNS, then we'll write it as vertical bar then more. It will list the content page wise, and we can see this is the URL, this is the URL, this is another URL, and this is the IP address. Similarly, this is the URL, this is the URL, and this is the IP address, and so on and so forth. More precisely, suppose I wanted to extract the IP address of this www.google.com. Then what we can do, I can write down I can use the same IPCONFIG command with some other switches like find str slash c colon double quotation the name of that website www.google.com, close this quote, and then again I will write one word host here, then press enter. Then right below the URL, the IP address given is actually represents the IP address of this website www.google.com or this URL. To verify that information, we can use this ns lookup command. Ns lookup www.google.com. It should give the IP address 172.217.160.190. 196. Let's see. The same, yes, exactly the same IP address is displayed for this google.com website.